Hello, everybody. The best way to overcome fear is to confront them. And once you decide to confront them, you will extricate yourself from the bounds of your problems and difficulties and will lead a life full of energy, enthusiasm, or optimism. Or you will lead a life brimmed with energy, enthusiasm, or optimism. Actually, whatever boundaries you decide for your achievements are actually made by yourself, and the amount of progress a mind can make is still imperceptible. Actually, the developments of minds have amazed psychologists over the years, and they are still researching in this field, knowing very little. Okay, now I will start. Today's first word is cavalcade. Cavalcade. Cavalcade means procession, parade. Example: as described by Chaucer, the cavalcade of Canterbury pilgrims was a motley group. He was a part of marriage cavalcade. Actually, what happens in Christian community, the marriage procession progresses to the church, and that is called marriage cavalcade. Similarly, you all may be knowing Goa, a coastal city of India, attracts many tourists during the period of New Year, because during the period of New Year, from Christmas to New Year, various unique cavalcades are conducted in the city. So many tourists are attracted, actually visit Goa to become a part of such cavalcades. Next word is cavalier. Cavalier. Cavalier means casual, offhand. Casual and offhand. Now, what does it mean? Casual means not planned. Casual and offhand means cool in manner. Means whatever condition a person is subjected to, he always remains cool. Cavalier also means arrogance, a sense of pride of one's own accomplishments and feeling or seeing others with scorn as if they are inferior to one's own self. Example: sensitive about having her ideas taken lightly, Lucy felt insulted by Mark's cavalier dismissal of her suggestions. Next word is cavil. Cavil. Cavil means make unnecessary objections. Example: I respect your sensible criticism, but I dislike the way you cavil about unimportant details. Whenever somebody wants to hinder your progress towards a particular goal, they will cavil in your work. Means they will make unnecessary objections in your work, whatever you put forward. Next word is seed. Cede. Seed means transfer, yield title to. Example: I intend to cede this property to the city. Means I want to transfer this property to the city. Next word is celerity. Celerity. Celerity means speed, rapidity. Example: Hamlet resented his mother's celerity in remarrying within a month after his father's death. Next word is celestial. Celestial. Celestial means heavenly, relating to the heavens. Example: She spoke of the celestial joys that awaited virtuous souls in the hereafter. Hereafter is actually the life after death. So, those books or scriptures that tell you about life after death tells or speak of celestial joys that awaited virtuous souls in the heavens. Next word is celibate. Celibate. Celibate means abstaining from sexual intercourse, unmarried. People or mystics or sages who lead a life of solitude have celibate lifestyle. Example is, though the late Havelock Ellis wrote extensively about sexual customs and was considered an expert in such matters, recent studies maintain he was celibate throughout his life. Havelock Ellis is actually a renowned author of lewd literature. Next word is censor. Censor. Censor means overseer of morals. Person who eliminates inappropriate matter. Example: Soldiers dislike having their mails read by a censor but understand the need for this precaution. Censor board removes uh, censor board removes inappropriate content from the movies. Next word is censorious. Censorious. Censorious means critical. Example: Censorious people delight in casting blame. Means they feel happy blaming someone. Next word is censure. 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 Censure means blame or criticize. Example: He was censured for his inappropriate behavior. Next word is, actually this censure is prevalent among the political circles. Whenever a politician makes a controversial comment, other politicians from opposition parties censure the politician for his inappropriate behavior. Next word is centaur. Centaur. Centaur is actually a mythical figure, most probably found in ancient Greek legends. Is actually a figure of a creature which is half man and half horse. I was particularly impressed by the statue of the centaur in the Roman Hall of the museum. Next word is centigrade. Centigrade. Centigrade, you are all familiar with, is a temperature measuring scale, basically same as Celsius. Example: On the centigrade thermometer, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees. Next word is centrifugal. Centrifugal means radiating, departing away from the center. Example, many automatic drying machines remove excess moisture from clothing by centrifugal force. Next word is centrifuge. Centrifuge. Centrifuge is a machine that separates substances by whirling them. Example, at the dairy, we employ a centrifuge to separate cream from the milk. Next word is centripetal. Centripetal. Centripetal means tending towards the center. Tending towards the center. Example, does centripetal force or the force of gravity bring orbiting bodies to the Earth's surface? And the answer of this question is no. Next word is centurion. Centurion. Centurion is a Roman army officer. Century, you all know, means 100 years. Similarly, centurion is actually a Roman army officer who is having 100 soldiers under him. Example, because he was in command of a company of 100 soldiers, he was called a centurion. Next word is cerebral. Cerebral. Cerebral means pertaining to the brain or intellect, the ability of thinking. Example, the content of philosophical works is cerebral in nature and requires much thought. Next word is cerebration. Cerebration. Cerebration means thought. Ponder upon something. Example, mathematics problems sometimes require much cerebration. If you are faced with a difficult problem, use cerebration and you will end up finding some hint to solve the problem. Next word is ceremonious. Ceremonious. Ceremonious means marked by formality. Example, ordinary dress would be inappropriate at so ceremonious an affair. Wealthy people have ceremonious lifestyle, means they have to follow a particular attire at a particular occasion, but the people who are poor don't have to follow ceremonious lifestyle because they don't have to have the money to fulfill the formality of the occasion. Next word is cessation. Cessation. Cessation means stoppage or stopping. Example, the workers threatened a cessation of all activities if their demands were not met. Next word is cession. Cession. It means yielding to another. Ceding. And cede we already have studied. Cede means give up power or territory by one's own will to some authority or someone. Example, the cession of Alaska or secession of Alaska to the United States is discussed in this chapter. Next word is chaff. CHAFE. Chaff means worthless product of an endeavor. Sorry, my mistake. Chaff, CHAFE. Chaff means warm by rubbing. Example, the collar chafed his neck. During cold, we chafe our palms to generate heat. Next word is chaff, CHAFF. Chaff means worthless product of an endeavor. Example, when you separate the wheat from the chaff, be sure you throw out the chaff. A non-working husband is considered as a chaff, means a worthless person. Next word is chaffing, CHAFFING. Chaffing means bantering, joking. Now what is bantering? Bantering means exchanging comments in a good way. Example, sometimes his flippant and chaffing remarks annoy us. Now, who is a flippant? Flippant is a person who does not pay serious consideration to anything. He takes the things in a casual way. The things that are important, he also takes those things in a casual way. So such persons or people are called flippant. Next word is chagrin, CHAGRIN. Chagrin means vexation. A state of irritation, the state of being annoyed, frustrated or worried. Chagrin also means disappointment. Example, her refusal to go with us filled us with chagrin. Many people who lost their jobs due to present state of recession are filled with chagrin and are suffering from various psychological depressions. Next word is chalice, CHALICE. Chalice means goblet. Now what is a goblet? Goblet is a drinking glass with a foot and a stem and with decorations over it. Chalice also is a consecrated cup, sacred cup. Example, in a small room adjoining the cathedral, many ornately decorated chalices made by the most famous European goldsmiths were on display. Whenever you visit a museum, you will find ancient chalices used by royal people. Next word is chameleon, CHAMELEON. Chameleon is a lizard that changes color in different situations. Example, like the chameleon, he assumed the political coloration of every group he met. Next word is champion, CHAMPION. Champion means support militantly. Example, Martin Luther King Jr. won the Nobel Peace Prize because he championed the oppressed in their struggle for equality. Next word is chaotic, CHAOTIC. Chaotic means in utter disorder. Example, chaotic means in utter disorder. It means a state in which everything behaves against expectations. You have no control over the situation. Example, He tried to bring order into the chaotic state of affairs. Sometimes Parliament is postponed due to chaotic state of affairs among the senators. Next word is charisma. Charisma. Charisma means divine gift, great popular charm or appeal, one's inner attraction. Example: political commentators have deplored the importance of a candidate's charisma in these days of television campaigning. Okay, now as you are learning vocabulary, this will develop an inner charisma in you, a better presentation skills, and excellent communication skills. Next word is charlatan. Charlatan. Charlatan means quack. Quack. Now, who is a quack? Quack is actually the sound produced by duck. And here it is used in a figurative way. It means a person who dishonestly claims to have special knowledge in some field, typically in the field of medicine. Charlatan is a pretender of knowledge. Example: when they realized that the wizard didn't know how to get them back to Kansas, Dorothy and her friends were sure they had been duped by a charlatan. When somebody is ill, he should be taken to a doctor rather believing a charlatan. Next word is chary. Chary. Chary means cautious. Now, when you are cautious, you care for the things to be done correctly. Means showing extreme care in one's work. Chary means sparing or restrained about giving. Example: the soldier was chary about where he set his foot because several men in his platoon had stepped on mines. Means the soldier progressed in a careful way so that he may not put his foot on a mine. Next word is chase. Chase. Chase means ornament a metal surface by the use of chisel and hammer. Stone workers chase the rock into recognizable art. Example: with his hammer, he carefully chased an intricate design onto the surface of the chalice. Actually, chasing can be done on metal surface also. Next word is chasm. Chasm. Chasm means abyss. Abyss. Example: he could not see the bottom of the chasm. Next word is chassis. Chassis. Chassis is the framework and working parts of an automobile. Actually, the basic structure or frame of an automobile, like two-wheeler or four-wheeler, when the transmission and other accessories are mounted on the frame, then it is called chassis. Example, examining the car after the accident, the owner discovered that the body had been ruined, but that the chassis was unharmed. There is a problem in four-wheelers of misalignment of wheels. What happens whenever the frame gets distorted or chassis gets distorted due to accidents? The alignment alignment gets disturbed. Okay, so in that case, you will go to the maintenance service provider to get corrected the alignment of chassis. So this was the last word. Thank you.